Delta 471, Los Angeles Tower, good afternoon. Wait for one off the other side. Traffic will cross downfield, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up and wait, Delta 471.
Southwest 4110, traffic will hold in position. Cross over 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Cross 24 left, contact ground, Southwest 4110, yes.
Gulfstream 709 Delta Sierra, turn left to taxiway Victor, keep it rolling. Cross runway 24 left, there is traffic in position, where do you park?
Delta 753, ILS 24 right.
Delta 753, Los Angeles Tower, good afternoon, wind 130 at 6, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 right, Delta 753.
Delta 471, wind 130 at 6, RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Delray 24 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 471.
Key line 563, turn left when able and hold short, runway 24 left. Southwest 1346, Los Angeles Tower, good afternoon, wind 120 at 6. Key line, stop, stop, stop. Southwest 1346, traffic will cross downfield, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 24 left, Southwest 1346.
Key line 563, traffic will hold in position, now cross runway 24 left, contact ground on 121.65.
24 left and at point 65, 563. Frontier Flight 1178 with you, ILS 24 right.
Frontier 1178, LA Tower, good afternoon, wind 120 at 5, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Frontier 1178.
Delta 471, contact SoCal departure, we'll see y'all.
Departure, Delta 471.
Key line 563, LA ground taxi via Echo Papa, hold short of Charlie.
Ground key line 563 on November 2 Park, Mississippi.
Key line 563, LA ground, turn left on Echo, taxi via Echo Papa, hold short of Charlie. Key line 563, possible positive deviation, I have a number for you, advise ready, copy. Key line 563, phone number area code 310-337. Key line 563, thank you, contact ground point 75.
75, key line 563.